Good morning. Chapter Circles, chapter number 11. So, we know this is the center of the circle. This is center and this is radius of the circle. Take center be O and this point take P on the circle point and OP is the radius. So, let coordinate of center, that is OB, H comma K, that is coordinate of the center, that is center equal to, that is center equal to H comma K. Okay, and take on the circle P point B X comma Y, and PB X comma Y, coordinate of P. Okay, and radius also take radius equal to R. Okay, so OB the center is H comma K, and PB any point on the circle, so PB X comma Y, and OP radius, that is OP equal to R. OP equal to R. Okay, now so use the distance formula, find the length of the line segment OP. So OP equal to use distance formula.
So under root x minus
Under
h whole square plus y minus k whole square.
Under root x minus
H whole square.
X minus h whole square plus y
So
minus
plus
k
y minus k whole
whole
square.
square. Okay, this is the distance formula, distance between 2 points, and OP equal to
So
R.
R.
So R equal to under root x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Okay, now squaring both sides, r square equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Okay, so this is the standard equation of a circle. So therefore equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay, where center equal to center of the circle equal to h comma k, and radius equal to R. Okay, clear? This is the equation of a circle, x minus h whole
Yes,
square
yes.
plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is the standard equation of any circle whose center is h comma k and radius is r. Okay, now see exercise 11.1. Exercise, and one more condition is, see, one more condition, if center is 0 0, then okay, if center be 0 0, then equation of circle, then
So then it will be x square plus
Equation of circle 0 0
x square plus y square is equal to r square.
Yes, because 0 0 coordinate center of the coordinate 0 0, that means origin. So x minus
Yes, sir.
equation of circle is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to r square. Okay, so it is x square plus
Plus y square is equal to r square.
Okay, if center is 0 0, then equation is x square plus y square equal to r square. Okay, now you start exercise 11.1. X square plus y square equal to r square. Okay, now start the exercise. Exercise 11.1. First question. Question number 1. Find the equation of the circle. Okay, and center is given. Center equal to 0, 2, and radius equal to 2. Okay, so we know center is h comma k. So here h equal to
So x is 0 and k is 2.
k equal to 2 and r equal to radius
2.
r equal to 2. Okay, so write the equation of circle. So we know equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y
Plus y minus k whole square.
equal to r square. So x minus h is 0. H is 0
Plus y minus 2 whole square.
plus y minus k equal to 2 and r also 2 radius, so 2 square, so equal to x square plus y minus 2 whole square. Use a minus b whole square
So
formula.
it will be y square minus 4y plus 4.
Yes, 2ab, so 4y plus 4.
So plus 4. So it will be equal to 4. So say 4 will get cancelled.
Yes. So
So the equation is x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0.
minus 4y equal to 0. Okay. X square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. So which is the
Yes,
required
sir.
equation of the circle? Which is required equation of circle. Okay, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Next thing, question number 2. Question number 2. Center equal to minus 2 comma 3 and radius equal to four. Center equal to minus 2 comma 3 and radius equal to 4. Okay, so here h equal
So
to
here h is minus 2 and k is 3.
minus 2 and k equal to 3, r equal to 4. Okay, so write the standard equation. Here we know x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So x minus h equal to minus 2. So minus minus plus
x
2.
plus 2 whole square.
This whole square plus y k equal to 3. Y minus 3 whole square equal to r equal to 4. 4 square. Now use the formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So x square
So it will be x square plus 4x plus 4.
plus 4 plus y square minus 2ab, that is 6y, plus 9 equal to 16. 4 square 16.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is x square plus
So x square plus y square plus 4y minus 6y
6y
plus 13 is equal to 16.
0. Okay, so x square plus y square plus
Plus 4x minus 6y minus 3.
equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation of the circle. So which is the required equation of the circle? Which is the required equation of a circle. Okay, then say next question, question number 3. So center equal to 1/2 comma 1/4. 1/2 comma 1/4 center, and radius equal to 1/12. Okay, center equal to 1/2 comma 1/4 and radius equal to 1/12. So here
So h is equal to 1/2 and k is equal to 1/4.
equal to 1/4, r equal to 1/12. Okay, now write down the equation of the circle. So we know x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So x minus h is 1/2. H is 1/2 whole square plus y minus k is 1/4. K is 1/4 whole square equal to r is 1/12. 1/12 whole square. Okay. Now a minus b whole square formula. Okay.
So it will be x square minus x plus 1/4.
Yes. 2ab, 2 into half, that is 1.
Yes,
So
sir. Minus x plus 1/4.
1/4.
So plus y square minus 5/2 plus 1/16.
Minus
Minus 5/2.
So y/2, 2ab plus
Plus 1/16.
equal to 1/144.
1/144.
Okay. Now multiply each and every term Okay, by 144. Okay, both side multiply by 144. Then 144 x square minus 144x plus
So plus 36.
144 by 4 plus 144 y square minus 144 y by 2, 144 by 2y plus 144 by 16 equal to 144 by 144. Okay, so calculate this. So this is equal to 144 x square minus, first to write y square, so plus 144 y square minus 144 x. Okay, then 144 by 2, it is 72, no?
So 72, yes, sir.
So minus 72y. Okay, and plus 144 by 4,
So 36.
36, then plus
So
1
plus 9.
16,
Yes,
144
so it will be 9. So 9 minus
9,
1.
9 16, okay, 9 equal to 1.
Minus 1.
Yes, so this equal to 144 x square plus 144 y square minus 144 x minus 72y,
So plus 44.
and 9 minus 1 is 8. So 36 plus 8,
So 44.
44 equal to 0. Okay. Now take common 4. 4 common, no? 4.
Yes, sir.
Take common 4. So 4 into
So 36 x square plus 36 y square.
square plus 36 y square minus 36 x
Minus
minus
18 y.
y plus
Plus
11
11.
equal to 0. Okay, so 0 by 4 is 0. So this equal to 36 x square plus 36 y square minus 36 x minus 18y plus 11 equal to 0. Okay,
Yes,
clear?
sir.
So this is the equation of a circle, required equation. So which is the required equation of a circle? Okay, is clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 4. Question number 4, center equal to 1, 1 and radius equal to root 2. Okay, so here h equal to 1,
So 1 answer k is also equal to 1.
k equal to 1, and
So radius is equal to root 2.
root 2. Okay, so we know equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay, then h is 1, x minus 1 whole square plus k also 1, y minus 1 whole square equal to root 2 whole square. Root 2 square, use the formula a minus b whole square, x square
So it will be x square minus 2x plus 2 plus
plus
4.
1 b square plus
Oh, yes, sir.
y square minus 2y plus 1 b square equal to root 2 square is 2. Okay, so this equal to x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y and 2 minus 2 is 0.
So plus 2. Yes, sir.
So x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y equal to 0. Okay, so which is the required equation? Which is the required equation of the circle? Okay,
Yes, sir.
next question number 5. Question number 5, center equal to minus a comma minus b and radius under root a square minus b square. Okay, so here h equal to minus a,
And so k is equal to minus b.
equal to minus b, and r equal to
So under root a square minus b square.
square minus b square. Okay, now so equation of the circle, right? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So h equal to minus a, so minus minus plus a,
So plus a.
x plus a
So plus y plus b whole square.
plus y minus minus b minus minus plus b whole square equal to r equal to under root a square minus b square whole square. Now use
So
the
it will be
formula
equal to
whole square
so x square plus 2ax plus a square.
plus y square
So plus y square plus 2by plus b square.
b square equal to a square minus b square. Okay,
Yes, sir. So sir, a square will get cancelled.
a square both are positive.
Then sir, it will be x square plus y square plus 2ax plus 2by plus 2b square is equal to 0.
Square plus 2ax plus 2by, okay, plus b square, no, 2b square, okay, b square plus b square, 2b square equal to 0. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, correct.
Yes, sir.
So which is the required equation of the circle? Okay. Next, question number 6. Okay, question number 6 is find the center and radius. Equation is given. Okay. Equation given, find center and radius. So x plus 5 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 36. X plus 5 whole square, y minus 3 whole square equal to 36. Okay. So we can
So
write
here x will be minus. So here x will be minus 5.
see, we can write.
Answer k will be 3. Answer radius will be 6.
So to make it standard form, this plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 6 square, 36. Okay. So comparing with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Okay. So we get so h equal to
So h is minus 5.
minus 5,
So k is equal to 3.
k equal to 3.
Answer r is 6.
R equal to 6.
So 6.
So therefore center equal to center is minus h comma minus k h comma k center
So it will be minus 5 comma 3.
equal to
So minus 5 comma 3.
minus 5 comma 3, that is center. Okay. And radius equal to 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So center is minus 5 comma 3 and radius is 6. Question is find the center and radius. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Center and radius, this is the answer. Okay, it's clear how to find center and radius.
Yes, sir.
Say now. You have any question?
No, sir.
Next question. Okay. It's clear? You can do now, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.